Hi guys, welcome to Creative Minds Factory. Today we will be designing a visiting card. Let's get started. Open Adobe Illustrator. Click on Create New from the left side panel. Change measurement from feet to inches. Type 3.5 into the width column and type 2 into the height column. I am taking 0.125 inches as bleed, equally from all four sides. Color mode should be set to CMYK if you are going to print it. Change the name of the file whatever you want. Click on Create. Your document is ready. Now we will make a safe margin of 0.125 inches. It's not necessary, but a good practice to have a safe area guide. Draw a solid rectangle of full document size and reduce its width and height by 0.25 inches. You can hit Ctrl+5 on the keyboard, or you can make this rectangle a guide from the View menu. Now I will rename it to Front and duplicate the artboard with Artboard tool. To duplicate the artboard, hold Alt and drag it to the right side, and rename it also to Back. Now we will design. First, I will bring my logo here. I will resize it. Always make sure that your guide is locked, otherwise you will accidentally move your guide. I think I can copy something from my logo and make this card interesting. This looks beautiful. Now we will put company's website. I choose circular STD font for this project because it matches the brand's personality. I think the front side looks nice. Let's design the back side. We don't need the full logo again, so I took only the icon part. I place it to the left and the rest content will go on the right side. I think I should reduce down the opacity of this big circle. Now I write my name and other details. Always remember, there should be a good hierarchy in your design. I will need some icons for contact options. I use flaticon.com. I can download the icons, but I want to show a different method to get the icon. Now I will bring other icons. I need something to divide this information. Now let's look at the alignment last time. Finally, our visiting card design is ready. Now save it in PDF format and send it to your printer or client. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had learned something. See you in the next video.